We are the failures, yeah, and we're taking a video about birds. But like, there's a camera there, good. And in the nest is 2 baby birds. As you can hear them. Right now they're hiding, but like you should be able to see them. I just adjusted the flashlight, that was weird. Should see baby birds. In there. So hold on. I just want you guys like see the baby birds. That was a fly. There, do you see it? Thing right there. Thing that's peeking up. Yes, did you see that thing move? That was the baby bird. In there, hold on, I'm gonna take the flashlight out. I got better viewings. Without it, like that. Got it better with it this way. Before, the baby birds were standing up, but like, can't see anything. So that's why I take the flashlight. Just like trying. Sorry, it's really hard to get viewing of these birds. Where? That's where a baby bird is. So, I said there would be baby birds there. You could see a little bit of its beak hanging out of the stuff behind it. I mean in front of it because it's hiding behind it. So now we're going over here to that one. You can't really see that one. But like we're just gonna let you listen to it because we can't see that one either. Just listen. Oh, you just saw the mom go. The mom just came out. So if the mom's in there, then the baby can listen.
Do you hear that? Listen very closely.
That's the baby bird in there. So we just showed you 2 viewings of baby birds. One of them you could actually see it, and the other you could hear it. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Actually, no. We're just gonna like check more of the basketball hoops and stuff. I hope you guys got a good viewing of it, because while I was looking through the phone, I saw the baby bird. It was pink and was flailing around, obviously because of the feathers. And like then it hid behind it, a bunch of like reeds and stuff, and you can see its beak peeking out. So those are the baby birds that we saw. We just wanted to show you guys it because that was pretty cool. Nests is in the basketball hoop. So bye.